this cake's delicious. Here, have some apple juice, and some water. Good cake. Okay, so Ryan, do you want to see the new laboratory?
These are of fire resistance and speed.
No, it's apple juice.
Water
and water.
Dude, I'll go and get water. Dude, give me a glass bottle. Dude,
Well, these are glass bottles if you drink them.
Dude, just give me one.
There you go.
Can I just get water bottle?
You have to pay for that, man. That's their water.
No, I don't. Here, have a redstone block.
There, yeah, that should be good.
There, thank you.
Well, you're gonna need the speed for getting over to the next laboratory, because it's pretty far down. The next chamber.
How long is that? 8 minutes of speed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just in case.
Let's go.
Follow me. So yeah, our new chamber is past these ones.
Why did you give me fire resistance?
Well, in case I don't know, it just looked like apple juice. So yeah, this is our chamber for automatic furnaces.
Oh.
Over here. Okay, this is one of the animal changing things I left out. It's Jeb underscore. He's a sheep.
Dude, I tried that and it didn't work.
Did you do capital J?
Yeah.
That's what you did. Okay, grab a roll of stuff, and I'll show you how to...
Wait, can I go into game mode to try that?
What, Jeb underscore? After this.
Okay, now, let me see if this works. Oh my god, it works!
Yes. It does indeed work. Okay, grab a roll of stuff, and I'll show you how to make these amazing automatic furnaces.
Okay. Hey, dude.
Hey.
Look over there.
Yes. Where'd Jeb go?
Nowhere.
Okay, so place the furnace down.
Sword out, and I was just like, nowhere. I didn't remember that my sword was out. I had my sword out.
Okay, place yours down, like, on this block right here. Your furnace right here. Okay, after that, you place a chest right on the right of it, or left of it. Either one works. On the bottom left of it. Like
I
this.
really should have got some diamond tools.
Okay, like this. Then you put a chest right here.
And then you
put a furnace, a hopper on the furnace. So you right click the furnace. Yeah. No, you gotta right click the furnace. So
Can you give me a pick?
yeah, I'll go get a pickaxe. Okay, I got your pickaxe. Hey, not yet. Not yet. These are for later. They're the sacrifices for later. Okay, here's the golden pickaxe.
Golden?
Yeah, they're the fastest.
Am I a dwarf? No, I'm not. Wait.
It could be.
They're fastest?
Yeah. Even faster than diamonds. Okay, so after that, you mine the block above your thing, your furnace, then put a chest right there. Put a chest right here. Oh, I mean like on the one below that. You need the block broken so you can mine it. I mean, so you can open it. Oh. Then you put a hopper that goes into the furnace.
Okay.
Okay, grab some fuel out of this one and put it into this chest here. And it will automatically be drawn into this hopper, which will then go in this furnace. Oh wait, is blaze powder a fuel?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
Is it? Mine isn't going into the furnace.
Then try just the quartz.
It isn't going into the furnace.
Oh, I think the coal will.
I think it needs a redstone.
No, the coal will, but not the blaze powder apparently. Just the coal. Okay, now we need some food. So grab a sword.
Is it? Okay, it is. Grab a sword?
Because,
Dude, I already have my awesome
yeah,
sword.
but yours might be flame. And okay, now let's open this. And, yeah, just start murdering pigs.
Oh.
You gotta come in
This is
here.
the thing. My texture pack really doesn't texture mobs. It just textures blocks. I'm using like a really cool texture pack. A YouTuber did it in his Let's Build to build Arendelle from Frozen.
Nice.
It's so cool.
Okay, now put your sacrifice meat on the top chest here. And then it will go
Oh my
into
god,
this
it's
hopper.
actually working.
Which will then go into this furnace and cook it. And then it'll go from the furnace
Into here?
into the chest.
Oh my god, we can make...
Has your mind been blown yet?
Dude, we can make like a animal farm thing. We could,
Dude,
we
like
should
an automatic farm.
Dude, we should make a Let's Play where we make a farm in modded Minecraft. We should ask Jake if he or Jake.
I am Jake.
We should ask Kian if he can transfer the server to like
Attack the B team or something.
Yeah, something with farming mods. Not Attack of the B team.
Oh.
Something else, but still does so.
Then
cool.
we could make a JakeCo hope. Oh, no, never mind. It's got lure and luck of the sea and yeah. So yeah, that's how you make.
Assassination!
You just died. Thorns 1000 for. That's Thorns 1000 for you. So yeah, I'll see you all later.